horses know that bucolic, tranquil countryside is just moments from major studios in downtown Los Angeles. Check out this top tier of my new listing in Shadow Hills. It's large enough for, I don't know, maybe a yurt where you could practice meditation or yoga. Or you can simply do what the current homeowners do, enjoy a glass of wine near the fire pit while you survey this beautiful, serene view and watch the sunset go down and light up the hills and the clouds with those beautiful sherbet hues. Welcome to Shadow Hills. We can't wait to see you.